Hello. Welcome to FiTech YouTube channel. Today we learn about how to add pop-ups to your WordPress website. So let's start. First log in to your WordPress site dashboard. On left sidebar click on template, then pop-ups. Add new template. Give template a name and click on create template. Here is some pre-made pop-ups template, but it's only for Elementor Pro user. You can insert from here. Here is many pre-made templates, for example, adult verification and many more. Let's insert a template. Here, this one. A lipstick on left side, and newsletter on right side.
You can change this text. Also, you can change width. Here is some more setting in style and advance. You can change it by yourself.
You can customize this button left or right or center.
You can hide for phone, tablets and desktop. You can add condition, where you want to show. You can show it on single page or entire site or a single post. I want to show it on home page, so I select front page.
You can add on page load. Mean after how much seconds pop-ups appear. Here's some more advanced tools. You can check it later. Click Save and Close. Not appear. Here is some issue. Let's solve this issue. Go back to editor page and condition and triggers and give time it on page load. I'll give it 1.5 seconds. Refresh it. And yes, it's come. Here is your pop-ups. If you have any issue regarding pop-ups, comment down. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.